guys?
Hey,
Red the
guys.
Gamer HQ here now. I have
Hey,
the
guys,
face
I'm-
cam.
I'm
No,
the
no,
gamer
not
here.
MJ. No, not MJ. I'm not MJ.
I'm the gamer here.
I'm gonna delete your survival episode. Ilya.
No!
Stop it, lol.
Okay?
I'm
I'm just gonna do a voice reveal.
no.
Law.
You
I'm
will
just gonna
still.
keep talking and talking.
They already sees your face, lol. Voice.
My face
No, you suck. You made me make my seed voice.
It's so funny.
You're not good.
Add that into a funny montage.
No way. Also, cause you suck. Right, guys? MJ sucks. She still don't have a subscribers.
Wow.
Lololololol. Hold on.
I'm just gonna start my MCPE channel
What a loser.
because I haven't recorded yet.
No, she already record. Check out her channel. Link down in the description.
Wet also teach me.
No, I'm not. Guys, also please subscribe to her because she don't even have a first subscriber.
Yeah.
Mohoho.
And even I'm just gonna make a special video when I'm
When you get some...
subscribers.
Hey, why am I doing this? Okay. What's up, guys? Okay, this is a little bit laggy. You
Oh.
kidding me? You suck. Ow, that hurts.
Did you just hit yourself?
Nope. That was way nothing. Actions. How am I able to get this back? There.
Blah.
I'm just gonna put my... Okay, perfect. Oh no, how am I able to control it? Maybe I'm just gonna put it
Oh
there.
my god.
So, this fake scam thing is really nice.
I'm a girl.
Lol, she's a boy.
And
Look
I'm
at that, guys.
It's rarity.
The cow is
my
bugging me up. You suck, you little...
Don't do rarity. Oh my goodness.
I'm good at PvP. Why don't you kill me too?
Okay, kill rarity. I just
Hey,
saw a
you little cow.
pony now.
No, it's getting me. Nice.
Nice kill, rat. By the way, I hate rarity.
By the way, guys, she keep making me watch, what is that?
A little pony.
My Little Pony. I hate that.
Yeah.
I'm more like myself.
Yeah, same. But I like Pixel
Guys.
Minecraft.
Guys, she is kidding. She's a Filipino and I'm half-blood American.
She's a Filipino too. I mean he. It's not she. He's a Filipino.
But half-blood.
half blood, yes, half blood.
But just kidding.
My dad is half.
I'm just kidding. I'm not actually a half-blood American. I'm an actual Filipino, but I don't know. Why do I have white-colored skin?
My dada have.
Call him daddy.
Okay, my daddy. My
Just
daddy
kidding.
is half Arabian and half Filipino. That's actually real.
Lol, she's lying, guys. Don't
No.
trust her.
No,
Don't trust her, guys.
I'm real.
I'm a greater YouTuber. What the heck?
What the
3
heck?
minutes recording. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna post this tomorrow as fast as I could. Oh my gosh, this would be way too a long time. 1 year later,
Hello
I'm
guys.
asleep, guys. Okay, guys, we're back. After 1 year sleeping, that's nice.
You are dying.
What the heck? You are not a loser. You're not gonna die.
I'm not a loser.
I am playing Minecraft while staring at this beautiful wood, guys.
Why am I just sound like the pug game po? Why did I say skateboard?
Twinsies! You like Pug, right? You have a crush on Pug. Guys, please tell
No.
Pug that this girl here has a crush on Pug Cable HQ that
No.
Adventure Gaming HQ said looks like a monkey. Do you want to see his face?
No.
Do you see already his face?
No.
I already see his face
I hate Pug.
on Twitter. LOL Pugs. Guys, now she have a crush on Adventure Gaming HQ. Please tell her.
I hate AGHQ.
No, I already see AGHQ's face. Just
But
kidding.
I
I'm gonna
already
collab
subs-
with him later. No. I can find his Facebook account.
What are you talking about?
Who's your crush YouTuber? Maybe it's Adventure Gaming HQ.
No.
Dan PDM.
No.
Guys,
He
she have a
already
crush
has
on
a
Dan.
wife.
Yeah, I know. While I deactivate MC has not. I already see his face. He has a blonde colored hair.
I deactivate MC.
No, he's nice. I already post some of his videos. Just kidding. I'm just gonna put MJ Sock on the
Don't this.
description. Guys, check out the description. I'm gonna put MJ Socks.
I'm gonna remove your glasses.
Well, I don't care. Then remove it. I can
Let
even
me
see
try your
everything.
glasses.
Then you're gonna wear it.
Okay.
Also, I don't care. You're gonna have a 300,100 billion grade on your eyes. And your mom's gonna worry at you, lol. That's why I hate glasses. Right, guys? Looks.
Looks like I'm in Minecraft.
She is not. Guys, she's actually in GTA. She's not even playing Minecraft. She can't buy Minecraft.
No.
She don't have enough money to buy Minecraft.
Yeah. I know. I'm poor. My mom is poor. Even I have a sister.
I already found her sister naked.
Yeah.
But I hate that kind of
Yeah.
part. When she's recording, maybe. That's the deleted, right?
Yeah.
Because MJ's sister is naked that
Yep.
time.
Yep.
Also, I hate my sister.
Because her sister is
Cause
shouting every day.
no,
at
cause she
him.
sucks.
Yeah, she sucks.
She don't wanna collab with me. But even just to tell you guys, I already see her naked.
What the heck?
When we was a kid, at least we're still not grade 4 up. I'm just baby nursery that time. When I'm still not a YouTuber.
You already.
Micah, don't tell that Chloe I have a crush on her. Micah, please, don't tell Chloe that I have a crush on Chloe. And also, if you found this video out, don't comment Chloe again.
Hello,
That
guys.
No! You told me that you hate your... Guys, she is ugly. Even if you found it
I'm not
out.
very ugly. I'm wearing lipstick.
She is such a monkey.
I'm not a monkey.
Looks like Pug. Just kidding. Pug is more nice than her. Ouch!
Hello, everybody. I'm playing the game right here.
Give me that. You are stealing my YouTube channel. Rice gum, huh? Help me. Are you gonna play down here? Ouch, that hurt. Jump. Wow, are you kidding me? That first jump parkour. Stop, you loser.
I read it.
I'm gonna tell you that you have crush on Pug Cable HQ.
No.
If you don't stop. Guys, if she don't stop punching me, please tell to the Pug Cable HQ that MJ has a crush on her. Jumping through the water.
I'm not gonna step on your head.
Then you should step. I can even get that now. Guys, she is not even starting to take a bath. That's why she's using pajamas.
Hello.
Oh my gosh, MJ is so good at that. Look at that. I'm gonna... Ooh. I'm gonna block your face if you don't stop. Guys, please tell that MJ has a crush on Pug. If she don't stop, please tell her. I mean him. Lol, I'm not gonna collab with you anymore.
Yay! And that's good.
I'm gonna delete your channel, lol.
I have a tip.
I'm gonna delete your channel, lol. If you don't stop.
Okay.
And I'm gonna post that MJ has a crush on Pug.
No, please. I'm just gonna stop. Are you
Sure.
using 0.14?
15.1
Oh.
full version.
Why are you getting not so much fun?
I hate mutton. Oh my gosh, a floating block!
That's
Oh my god. Ouch, this hurts. Guys, there's a
Secret
baby
message.
downstairs. Oh, no.
that are our thing.
Guys, I'm floating like an MLG Pro. Look, guys, look. I'm floating like an MLG Pro. Oh, it's almost night. Run! Guys, please tell Chloe that she should go back to school. What's happening to Micah? She's starting to be Micah. She's starting to miss the videos. I mean, not the videos made by me. She's starting to miss what's happening in school.
Do you know Marielle?
Lol, she has a crush on... Micah, please tell Jasmine that Marielle has a crush on Jasmine. So,
Lol.
okay, it's almost night. I'm gonna use my fist to kill. Oh, baby.
Oh,
Can you stop, please? Or I'm gonna tell Pug. Oh my gosh. The impossible one. Jump. Whoa. Cool. Oh no, I'm gonna use my fist. Ah! Oh my god. Okay, for me to survive this night, guys, I'm just gonna put here.
survive the night.
I'm not gonna edit it. Cause look. For me not to. Guys, sorry for me not to use my intro again. Cause I hate editing. You know what? It makes me motherfucker.
Guys, can you, I know.
LOL. Oh my
Can
gosh.
you subscribe to me and then
Her channel is Adventure Gaming. Ah! How is that possible?
my channel is MJ the Gamer / Awesome Gamer. So thank you guys for watching my video.
LOL, they are gonna watch it for me. Nice. Wow.
And also subscribe to Red the Gamer HQ.
No, they already subscribed to me, lol. Oh my gosh, where's that little spider? I'm gonna hide. True.
I hate spiders.
I more hate skeletons. Killing with peace. So, if you like the video, guys, this is not my survival episode. 1 heart left. This is just a funny video. Sorry for a late April Fools. Today is my mom's birthday and it freaks me out. Goodbye.